Good morning, Los Angeles. Uh, hmm. This is David de los Reyes. It's February 3, 2022. I got a new topic for this afternoon on my channel, and the discussion is about jump starting of vehicles. Jump starting of vehicles, ordinarily before we use a jumper cable. So if your battery is weak, to start your engine, you need a jumper cable plus another vehicle maybe where you will connect this one for your engine to start up. This is the old style. The other remedy for jump starting is you will buy a portable jumping station. Portable jumping station, it got a battery here inside, a chargeable battery. Okay. So if you charge this one and you bring it when you go somewhere else, if your battery is weak or your engine will not start up, you could use this one. You just bring out the cable here, connect it to your engine, and that's it. That's the second option. But there's a new option now, guys. The third option is something like it deals with amplified booster. Amplified booster. It is this. It's just like a small battery. Maybe it got a battery inside and some electronic component. Okay. To use this one, when your battery is weak, you connect this one to your battery. This is the connector, right? You plug it in here. Okay. You connect this to your passive terminal of your battery. Okay. You connect this to the negative terminal of your battery. Okay. Then that's it. But the proper way how to connect this is first to shut off first this booster jumper. It should be off before you will connect the two terminals, so there will be no spark. So actually, I am now charging this one. This booster jumper should be off before you connect this to your battery, so there will be no spark. So once the negative and passive terminal is now connected, okay, push the on button, okay, then start your engine, and that's it. The specification of this booster jumper is something like it could deliver 12 volts at 400 amperes at 20 times the power rating of the ordinary jumper station. It could deliver up to 400 amperes. Spark-proof. Why spark-proof? Spark-proof because, initially, the booster jumper is off before you connect the battery. Okay, so if the booster jumper is off, you avoid spark, right? But when you need the jumper charge from the booster, switch it on. So no more spark because you are not already holding the two terminals. You are not moving it. So there will be no spark. And that's the time you will start your vehicle. This booster jumper could deliver 12 volts up to 400 amperes. So it's very strong. Spark proof. Reverse polarity. Supposing just in case you made a wrong connection, you put the red thing to the black thing and the black thing to the red terminal. Okay, then you switch it on. Okay, the jumper booster will not give off any voltage. So it's actually reverse polarity protection. So if it doesn't give any voltage, it means your connection is wrong. So you must have to do something for it to be, for the booster to deliver the required voltage. That's why I am telling it simply jumpstart a vehicle. And the other feature of this booster jumper, it's a very small thing, you know. This small thing could deliver up to 400 amperes. Why is that so? We are now talking electronics. We are talking amplification, something like that. Okay? Maybe there's a circuitry inside which will amplify that small voltage on the battery inside to something like 400 amperes. So actually, this is an electronic booster battery jumper. It got an electronic thing inside. It's computerized. So the small voltage inside, it will amplify to a bigger thing. So when you use it, it could deliver 400 amperes. The other good thing about this is that to charge this one, you just use your, what you call this, charger for your cell phone. The charger needed to charge this one is just the charger of your cell phone. It is this. And it got a USB connection over here. Right? You plug it in. And you're ready to go. This is now green, full green. So it means this is fully charged. So actually, if your battery is weak, we could use this one now. Right? And the other good thing, it got a USB output terminal over here. And what's the significance of this? Meaning, if your cell phone is running out of battery, you could use this one as your charger, emergency charger. So you plug this one over here. That's an output. Okay? And you will charge your cell phone now. Maybe if you use this one as the charger of your cell phone, you could use this maybe up to 30 days without discharging the battery inside. So actually, this is very handy thing, you know. So when you go, you travel maybe 300 miles out of town, okay, you could use this. It's very handy. Unlike the portable station, it's heavy. Plus the jumper cable. The jumper cable is good, but if you don't have any vehicle near with you, you cannot jumpstart your vehicle. But for this, as long as this is charged, okay, and your battery is weak, you could easily jumpstart your vehicle ASAP as soon as possible. The other good thing I told you, you could use this one to charge your cell phone. Right? This is just the charge indicator. If it's full green, it's fully charged already. Actually, you can charge this maybe within 30 minutes and it's done. So make it the point that when you go out, traveling maybe 300 miles out, okay, you always charge this one, so because you don't know what will happen to your battery. If you are not checking your battery, okay, it's a good thing that this should be with you always, you know. Okay. This is now the so-called improvement in the jump starting of vehicles today, guys. It's the new one. You can still use the jump start station if you got, but handily, we are talking very handy over here, you could use this one. Okay? It's a very good thing. It's a new technology and what they call this, electronics plus something on engine and jump starting. I think our engineers have designed this one to give us a more very handy thing to jumpstart our vehicle. Okay? Good morning, Los Angeles.